Hi, I'm George. I've been a victim of government harassment for the past 78 weeks, and I want to tell you about my experience. Welcome to my stream. I hope you guys are having a good time. And yeah, they've been sending messages into my brain through microwaves. It's been 78 weeks. If you haven't heard about my story, it's been 78 weeks they've been messing with my subliminals and changing how I think from the ground up, from the base of my thoughts. They're really getting at me, and I thought I was going crazy. It started with physical symptoms and I couldn't do anything normal. I was going absolutely insane. But it's only been since I found the V2K community that I understand that I'm not the only one experiencing this. I just know that it's not my fault. I'm not crazy and I'm normal. It started as cryptic messages being put into the back, right, bouncing around my skull in different ways, and it slowly came to make sense, and I could hear what they were saying, and it was just terrifying. Unimaginable things that they want me to do to people. It's just going bouncing around. This week I've finally managed to get my mom to get rid of the microwave. You know, they can program the speed and it gets in the back. And I've even though I did that, they've started installing these 5G towers, and these sick freaks won't stop until... Mom, I was streaming. I told you not to come in here when I stream.
George, what time is it?
I told you
What time is it?
It's 4:30.
And? It's Monday. You're supposed to pick up David from school on Monday.
I wasn't feeling well.
You're never feeling well. You never leave the house, you never leave your room, and we asked you for just one thing.
Mom, I'm sick.
Your brother waited an hour for you. He just got back from God knows where with a $30 Uber charge.
I guess he can take care of himself.
He's 9, George. He thinks the world of you, and of course he blames us because he doesn't want to think.
Think what? That I'm a victim? The government's trying to kill me.
The microwave isn't going to kill you. We still have it at the back end.
What have I been eating?
Well, you've just been...
What have I been eating? Sir, have you heard of the microwave auditory effect? I'm a targeted individual. Ma'am, have you heard of the microwave auditory effect? Sir, I've been a government... Ma'am, have you heard of the microwave auditory effect? Sir, I'm the target of government harassment.
Look, man, I'm not buying your shit.
No, sir, it's called the microwave auditory effect.
Okay, you want to get high somewhere else, just not on my street.
You don't get it, man. I need your help.
Hey, don't fucking touch me.
Oh my god!
I'm sorry, I didn't even...